Closing bell time for our special series Hello GST. Today's CNBC TV 18's Menaka Doshi decodes the benefits of GST for the shipping industry. Take a look.
On Hello GST, today we look at the shipping industry. Here are the advantages, the disadvantages and the net impact.
So the advantages are mainly from the credit perspective and basically threefold. One is on the taxes that they are paying on the fuel, which is currently not available to them as credit. Under GST regime, when the petroleum sector would come under the GST net, the credit would be then available and thereby bringing on the big credit pool which is currently getting lapsed. The second advantage would be on the services which are used for provision of export freight services, which are currently exempt from service tax, thereby leading to credit lapsed. And under the GST regime, these services would be considered to be a zero-rated services and thereby being taxable but zero-rated, bringing the credit as a accumulated credit as a refund to the industry. And the third is on the fungibility of goods and services, whereby the expenses on goods which are used for repairs and maintenance or the capital expenditure, these credits are currently not available because the industry is predominantly a service industry. These credits would be then available under the GST regime because the goods and services would be a combined regime. The disadvantages are mainly from the abatement perspective, wherein right now there is a 70% abatement available for transportation of goods by vessels, thereby bringing the value of value of the entire service to bring down, and on which the service tax is paid. Under GST regime, it is expected that the abatement will go away, thereby the value on which the GST will be paid will be much higher. Another disadvantage would be on the higher rate of taxes, which is common across the industry. And the third part would be on the place of supply rules, wherein the new place of supply rules should be grandfathering the current place of provision of service rules for this industry, whereby there are certain activities like hire of vessels by foreign companies, which is considered as export of service. If the new place of supply rules does not carry on these activities, the entire activity would become taxable. As a conclusion, we feel that because of the credit passage being too huge, which is currently getting lapsed under GST regime, that will be available for the industry, thereby bringing in a positiveness under the entire GST ambit.